Good morning. Today we're in the kitchen with our good friend who's making chapati. Some call it roti. And the dough was already made. That's over there. I'm not allowed to put her in the video, so you're only going to see the hands. And you made the dough yesterday?
She did. She did.
Okay, and it's just flour and water. And as she rolls, she adds a little more flour so
There's a lot of work
so it doesn't stick.
Wow.
And Olga explained to her about the rolling pin, that it used to be a weapon for the women.
Still is. Not used to be.
I called it kitchen karate. And so now one is on the heat. It's just a black pan on the flame.
Yeah.
And,
oh, she does turn it over. Okay.
It's browning and it puffs up a little. They press it back down.
Yeah.
This is exciting for us because in the other pot,
oh my God! Look, there's a trick.
Can't see.
A direct trick.
We'll talk about this another time.
Look, that's not dangerous.
There's dal in that one. Dal is lentils.
What are you doing?
This one on the direct flame is one that I don't do.
Yeah, well,
because I'm sensitive. I can taste the gas.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
So it's harmful.
Don't say sorry. Keep going.
Harmful.
Well, I don't do it.
Okay. Sorry.
But
it's all right.
Other people think it's wonderful.
Okay.
Right. If it was a fire from wood, they would go, wow.
I always appreciate a little bit burnt taste. Okay?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
So there.
A little petroleum in it never hurts. Yeah. This is going to be a hit video, I can tell. And this is Daniel and Olga here, and of course this is Pleasant Journeys.
Yeah.
And we're with our friends in Verona, Italy. And
they're feeding us.
They're feeding us.
Very guarded.
And today it is dal and roti.
Yay.
And roti is chapati, which is like a tortilla.
Yeah.
And you see how much work and love goes into it.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah.
And she asked Olga how many she wants. Olga said one, and then she asked me, and I scratched my tummy, and so she keeps.
So we're still going.
She's keep making. And,
looks fine to me, but what do I know? Yes. Or it's puffing up. That's amazing.
People around the world don't realize how unconventional Americans are. That we will make a burrito out of anything.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, or a pizza.
Yeah, or a pizza.
Put some stuff on it, you know.
So,
yeah.
But this is really fun.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, another happy journey.